In this video, we are going to be discussing acids, including their properties and how to name them. Acids are a special category of compounds. Although acids exist as molecules, they are made of hydrogen H+ ions combined with an anion. The chemical formula for an acid always lists the acidic hydrogen first. When acids dissolve in water, the H+ ions separate from the anions and become highly reactive. Acids have several recognizable properties, including a sour taste and the ability to dissolve many metals. For example, the white powder found on the outside of sour gummy candies is citric acid, the same acid found in citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons. Acids can be classified as either binary acids or oxyacids, depending on whether oxygen is present in the anion. Binary acids do not contain oxygen, and they are usually made out of only two elements. Oxyacids contain a polyatomic ion that includes oxygen. The different types of acids have unique naming rules. Binary acids begin with the prefix hydro, followed by the root name of the anion with the suffix "ic" and the word acid. For example, HCl is a binary acid because it does not contain oxygen. Its name is hydrochloric acid. Oxyacids do not begin with the prefix hydro. Instead, their names use the root name of the polyatomic anion, followed by either the suffix "ic" or "us", and the word acid. The suffix depends on the ending of the original polyatomic ion. Polyatomic ions ending in "ate" change to "ic", and the polyatomic ions ending with "ite" change to "us". A mnemonic device to help you remember the pattern is "The white mouse ate icky cheese". The word "ate" reminds us that "ate" changes to "ic", and "ite" changes to "us". HNO3 is an oxyacid because it begins with hydrogen and it contains oxygen. The anion in the compound is nitrate, NO3 with a 1 negative charge. Since nitrate ends with ATE, it changes to IC, making the name of HNO3 nitric acid. Now let's complete a practice problem by filling in this table with the formula, name, and classification of each acid. For the first row, the chemical formula is HCl. Since this does not contain oxygen, it is a binary acid. The name will begin with hydro, giving us hydrochloric acid. Next, we are given the chemical formula HClO. This is an oxyacid because it contains oxygen. The anion is ClO-, which is the hypochlorite ion. Since hypochlorite ends with ITE, it changes to OUS. The name is hypochlorous acid. Next, we are given the name sulfuric acid. Since the name does not begin with hydro, we know it must be an oxyacid. The "ic" ending tells us the original polyatomic ion ended with ATE. Sulfate is SO4 2-, so it combines with two H+ ions to form H2SO4. Our next name is hydrobromic acid. Since the name begins with hydro, this is a binary acid. The anion must be bromide, Br-, which combines with one H+ ion to form HBr. Lastly, we are given the chemical formula HiO4. This is an oxyacid because it contains oxygen. IO4 1- is the per-iodate ion, which contains one more oxygen than iodate. Since iodate ends with ATE, it changes to IC, making the name of this acid per iodic acid.